Welcome to Amir Shuja Educational Kids Channel Educational Adventure, a cheerful house with Benny and his animal friends, main theme, learning daily life skills like brushing, dressing, tidying up, and healthy eating, morning routine, brushing teeth and washing face. A bright sunny morning shines through the window as little Benny, a curious bunny, wakes up. He stretches his fluffy paws and hops to the bathroom. There, Benny's mirror friend, a friendly face with big eyes, reminds him to brush his teeth and wash his face. Benny standing in front of a colorful sink with bubbles and a toothbrush, his reflection smiling in the mirror with sparkly clean teeth. Getting dressed. Benny's closet is full of colorful clothes, but oh no, he can't decide what to wear. His playful parrot friend Polly chirps, "Pick a comfy shirt and clean socks, Benny." Benny giggles and learns how to match his clothes all by himself. Benny holding different clothes with a thinking expression, Polly the parrot pointing at a bright outfit with tiny wings. Breakfast time. Benny hops to the kitchen where Mama Bunny has prepared a yummy, healthy breakfast. "Fruits, milk, and toast make us strong," Mama says. Benny carefully picks up his spoon and enjoys his meal without any mess. A cozy kitchen with a colorful plate of healthy food. Benny sitting at the table, eating neatly with a smile. Tidy up time. After breakfast, Benny's room is a mess. His toys are everywhere. His friend Timmy the Turtle helps him sing the cleanup song while
clean up, let's all play. Clean up, put things away. Let's make it tidy, hip hip hooray. Toys in the basket, books on the shelf. Cleaning up is fun with a little help. Clean up, let's all play. Helping each other every day. Clean up, don't delay. If we can make it bright, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Pick up the blocks, put them in the bin. Wipe the table, let's begin. Sweeping, sorting, look how neat. Cleaning up feels so sweet. Clean up, let's all play. Helping each other every day. Clean up, don't delay. We can make it bright. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Little hands can help so much. Pick and pack with a gentle touch. Let's make our space sparkle and shine. Cleaning up feels so fun. Clean up, let's all play. Helping each other every day. Clean up, don't delay. We can make it bright. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Like, subscribe, share.
they put toys back in their places. "A tidy room is a happy room," Benny says proudly. Benny and Timmy happily putting toys into baskets. A bright and clean room with neatly arranged toys goodnight routine. As the day ends, Benny gets ready for bed. He wears his soft pajamas and listens to a bedtime story from Mama Bunny. "Good habits make us happy every day," she says as Benny snuggles into bed with his favorite teddy. Benny tucked into a cozy bed with a moonlit window. Mama Bunny reading a colorful book to him. Moral of the story: learning little things every day makes us happy and strong.
So little champs, always remember, clean up, never delay. Like, subscribe, share.